two people that I admire. The first person I admire is Yoona Kim. She is a figure skater. She is won many times of Olympics. She won Vancouver and Sochi Olympics. I admire her because she has high confidence. In Vancouver Olympics, before she started, she smiled to her rival, so I think he has high confidence. The second person I admire is King Sejong. He is a king and he made a hangul and make a helpful policy of citizens. So King Sejong, the king that Korean's favorite king. I admire her because he has a lot of consideration. To example, if you are pregnant, gave a 100-day of pregnant holiday. So I think he has a lot of consideration. In conclusion, these are two people that I admire. I hope you enjoyed listening. Who do you admire?